Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to create a drop-down menu in Shopify. Let's get started. First, sign into your Shopify account, then click on Content, then Menus. You already have a few defaults here, so let's just use Main Menu as our example. Here, you can choose to edit the menu items by clicking on this pencil icon right here. And you can also choose to add a new menu item by clicking on Add Menu Item. So let's label it with, for example, clothes. Then for the link, you may copy paste an actual link or choose to redirect this to a part of your store that has clothes. Then just click the check icon to save it. You can also click this 6-dot icon and drag it to make a menu item a sub-item like this. After customizing, just click on the Save button here to save your changes. And if we go now to our website, we can see our drop-down menu in action right here. And that is how you can easily create a drop-down menu. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.